The Bite of 87. I love that meme. Also, here's how you can make Nightmare Fredbear in gacha online. Also, look, I got these new characters for from Christmas. So say hello to Sonic 3.0, and this is just Shadow. This is just Shadow. Yeah, he's a lot more taller than Movie Sonic, so Movie Sonic is gonna be very scared. Cause look, he has this, he has sharp thing. Well, Shadow fell. Anyway, just for that, let's get this over with the Bite of 87 Freddy there. Anyway, back hair. No, real hair. 661. I was actually gonna put on some music, but no, I just feel like no, that'll mess up the whole tutorial. Head AC 3162. And for the other one, it's just and for head AC, it's the same. For head AC, it's this one. 3163. That's it. Scarf 7. Shirt 30. Pants 23. Shoe 4122. My camera, focus. Cape 40 for the dark for the dark eyes for Nightmare. Eyes 33. Pupils 999. Drop 100 and 1100 and 108 right here. Okay, just choose any one of them. Hold on, let me do this. Oh, I just gave away the color, the outline. No, the glove color. So, oh well, I'll just copy that. That's your first one, right here. Okay, time for the color. Pause and copy it. Pause and copy it. Pause and copy it. Copy it. Copy it. Oh yeah, sleeve 73. And that's the same. And for mouth, I used it for the teeth, because he has sharp teeth. For which one I use is 5185. No, you're not finished yet. I was about to forget this one, because if I forgot this one, yeah, I would be screwed, and they would probably try to find out which one it is. Anyway, for it is 1400 and 14 one 104 454. That's right here. And here it is. And you're done.